Hi, today we're doing the unboxing video. The stereo that goes in the Yamaha RMAX Wolverine. So we just got it in the mail. Here it is.
It's packed up really nice. That's the amp, 200 watt amp. There's a bag for all the plug and play wiring. And it's got a bag of some miscellaneous push pins, fasteners, and zip ties in here. This is the head unit. It's a Bluetooth type head unit.
Nice.
This goes in the factory location for the stereo and the RMAX. One of the speakers.
Wow.
Factory wiring for plug and play.
Nice.
SSV system. Designed and made for the Yamaha RMAX. It may fit other models. Definitely fits the RMAX. Get a instruction sheets, the installation. We will be doing installation and show you. This is the other speaker.
Beautiful. All right. Well, it's unboxed and it's beautiful. And thank you for watching. Our next video will be installation, and check that out. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.